Hi all, it's me Jaz Mohammed. See, already you studied several things in 8th and 9th standard related to computer or ICT. Information technology, the one and only booming sector right now during the COVID time. The ICT enabled classes already you studied and already you are getting several classes from Victor's channel, and the teachers from our school also giving the classes through our ICT enabled classes. So the importance of ICT is crucial during this lockdown period. Now we can study some special tools in our computer related to graphics and other things from our syllabus. So in 10th standard, ICT starts with a chapter called the World of Designing. World of Design, we know the designing things. What's actually designing is very interesting for us because we are getting several designs or several posters, several videos, cartoons, everything. So the graphics also interested syllabus. Now, actually I'm going to discuss just a few points related to this chapter. Today we can start or we can introduce this chapter. Later we will discuss the questions and the activities in the chapters, and maybe you saw the videos through the Victor's channel, but now we don't have enough technologies right now. Anyway, we can use a laptop and our mobile phone for getting the information. Those who have Ubuntu software at home, they can check the all activities, or they can do the activities at home itself. Otherwise, just watch the video and realize the accessibility or chances of graphics in our daily life. Now look, actually when we are getting some images in our mobile phone through social medias, we are getting several JPG formats or PNG formats. So pictures have different formats. If you zoom the picture of a JPG, that's joint photographic experts groups. Joint photographic experts group is the full form of JPG. JPG, we are using JPG, short form of JPEG, we are using JPG itself. Okay, that's a type of groups. Joint photographic experts. If you zoom a type of JPG picture, you are not getting that much clarity. That's a raster picture, and you will not get that much clarity in a JPG. I am showing one JPG picture for you, so you can feel what's the difference between. I am taking one JPG picture, and you guys can realize the difference between JPG picture and SVG picture. Look, this is a JPG picture. Okay, now I would like to zoom this. You can see this, the size of this. Now it's 65%. Now I am zooming this up to 200%. Now look the change. Now the picture has been blurred and the clarity of the picture reduced, isn't it? If you increase the percentage again, suppose you increased up to 500%, the clarity of the picture again reduced. This is the main fault of JPG pictures. That's a raster picture. Then how can we how can we utilize some more clear picture? How can we prepare a clear picture even in the PNG format also? See, PNG means portable network graphics. In the portable network graphics domains, also using raster images. So that also will not get that much clear, but some more notable difference with JPG and PNG network. We know that for sending some pictures through the network, we need some more zipped file. So PNG is one of that. Even though PNG also a raster file, so we cannot use this for getting a zoomed picture. So the one solution is prepare an SVG images. That's mean if we are dealing with a problem, we want to make another solution for that. So here is a solution that we want to study. Already you studied GIMP as software, graphics software you studied, or graphic application. GIMP you studied in the class 9th. Now in this chapter you are studying Inkspace, another application software, Inkspace. So through Inkspace we can create SVG pictures, and SVG means scalable vector graphics. One of the question in your textbook is what's the full form of SVG. So it's clear that scalable vector graphics. That's the word itself, vector itself says that why we are getting a cleared image after preparing an SVG. SVG images are scaling, vector scaling. We are using a vector scaling, so that's why we are getting a cleared image. Now you can see another image with a vector image. Another one. I am just opening another vector image here, so you can feel the difference. Now you can see an SVG file, or you can see .svg here, isn't it? This is a Twitter emblem, logo of Twitter. So you can look, see this 200% is the zoom size here. So now I'm increasing the size up to 500%. See, did you feel any change in the clarity of the picture? No. Now you can increase the zoom percentage, or you can again zoom in up to 1000%. Did you feel any clarity difference? See, more cleared, isn't it? And now again I am increasing this up to 2000%. Look the clarity of this image. So this is the example. This is the example of SVG picture. SVG, the full form is, yes, scalable vector graphics. See, how can we open Inkspace application? Go to applications and click the graphics. Now you can see Inkspace vector graphics editor. Then click that application. The Inkspace software will open right now. See, this is our Inkspace software. Now see, you can read all the menu panel here. So file, edit, view, layer, object, path, text, filters, extensions, and help. We need some important file formats. That's new. For creating a new document, we need to click here in the new. Now you will get a new Inkspace document file. Here you can see several tools for using or for drawing pictures in this application. Here is this transform or selecting the objects selection tool, and edit or edit paths by nodes, another tool. Also you can see the zoom in and measurement tool, and rectangles, creating rectangles on squares. Just an example. Now I just click in the rectangle, create a rectangle tool, then I can draw a rectangle here. Before closing or before saving this, you have to put it into your canvas. This is our canvas, so you have to put it into the canvas. Here we have vector measurements here. So this is our canvas. If you drawn all the things in the canvas, then only you can save that SVG file. So let's check all the tools in your computer, those who have. Others we can use whenever we get the time in our classroom or we get the time in the computer lab. Okay, so this is the introduction part of Linkspace software. Thank you.